Hello and welcome to this beginner's guide to programming in C++. In this video, we will be walking you through how to create your first C++ program, which is the famous Hello World program. This program is simple, but it's the foundation of every C++ program. Open up dev C++ and create a new file. In this file, type in the following code. The main function is a starting point of the program and is where the program begins executing. Understanding the Hello World program involves understanding the main function, which is the entry point of the program. The main function is where the program begins and where it ends. It is responsible for executing the code that prints the Hello World message on the screen. By understanding how the main function works, we can understand how the program as a whole functions and how it produces the desired output. As you can see, the main function is defined with the keyword int to specify that it returns an integer value. The parentheses following main indicate that this is a function, and the curly braces define the scope of the function. Inside the main function, we have one statement that prints the phrase "Hello World" to the console. This is done using the out object, which is part of the IOStream library. The left shift operator is used to insert the string "Hello World" into the output stream. #include adds pre-existing functionality to your C++ program that allows you to output results to the console. The IOStream library contains the necessary functions to do this, so by including it in your program, you can use these functions to display information to the user via the console. In essence, it's like plugging in a ready-made tool that lets you communicate with the user without having to write your own code for it. Finally, the function returns the value 0 using the return statement. This is a convention in C++ and indicates that the program terminated successfully. This code does two things. First, it includes the IOStream library, which is needed for input and output operations in C++. Step 3. Compiling and running your program. With the code written, it's time to compile and run the program. To do this, save the file with the CPP extension, for example, helloworld.cpp. Then, open up the terminal and navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Next, type the following to compile the program. This command will execute the program and you should see the phrase "Hello World" printed to the console.